Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact TVS barcode scanner model and the interface it uses, because drivers depend on that. Once done, download or prepare the correct driver package. Many scanners use a generic HID keyboard profile, so the OS may auto-recognize it. Plug the scanner into a computer USB port directly. If the scanner flickers or disconnects, use a powered USB hub to ensure stable power. Make sure Windows Device Manager or Mac OS System Report shows the device present before continuing. Next, verify how the computer communicates with the scanner, HID keyboard or virtual COM port. Open Device Manager on Windows or System Report on Mac OS to confirm the port and driver. If the scanner presents as a serial device, set baud rate, parity, data bits, and stop bits to the values specified in the TVS manual. Mismatch settings prevent data flow. You can also program the scanner itself by scanning configuration barcodes from the manual. This aligns scanner output format with your host application. Finally, test the setup. Open a plain text editor like Notepad or a terminal and scan several barcodes to confirm correct characters and termination keys. Once confirmed, integrate with your POS or inventory software by ensuring the app receives keyboard input or reads from the correct COM port and that field mapping and enter /terminator characters match. If things go wrong, reboot the computer and scanner, try another USB port or cable, reinstall drivers, and consult the scanner's LED/beep codes for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.